Omaras, hope you're doing okay. I just saw your comment and I thought I'll do a short video explaining this to you. If I understand you correctly, when price breaks the liquidity level, search for the next liquidity level, and often there's impact trades and how the good entries were. So we'll focus better, good explanation for this. All right, so higher liquidity hold higher power, right? So we have a 15-minute liquidity right here, and let's say we have a 1 hour liquidity right here, and we have a 4 hour liquidity right here, right? Higher liquidity, higher liquidity hold higher power, and higher time frames hold higher power. So if you see that the market is you're bullish, right? And if you see that the market is continuing down, taking out liquidity, giving you a reaction, the confluences, the breakup structure, the fair value gap, and it's all correct, you still take the trade. That's what I do. You still take a trade, but you keep in mind that there are liquidity levels higher than this 15-minute down here, 1 and 2. So you adjust, you take the trade still, but you adjust your risk accordingly. So if your risk was 1%, you adjust it to this level based on the opportunity it can give you because you're risking half of it right now. You're risking 0.5% right now because it's a higher probability of it to continue to the downside, but still you don't want to miss the opportunity of it continuing to the upside. So it's like if you have to weigh it over, which is right, because there is no right decision right here, because as long as you risk correctly, you lose this trade, right? It goes like this and it continues down and it takes out liquidity on a higher time frame because there are higher or more liquidity here. The banks and institutions wants to come down and take those out because that's where they make their money. So you want to give your trade the opportunity to either continue to the upside from this 50-minute liquidity or continue to the downside and you still take the 0.5% trade right here. Do you see what I mean? So you give it two opportunities so you don't miss out on any of them. This is not for you to be feeling FOMO because when you enter a 1% trade right here and you're done for the day because you risked your max for the day, you're missing out on these opportunities right here. Or it might, the market might continue to the downside, not give you a reaction on the 1 hour and continue to the 4 hour and then continue the reaction to the downside. All right. Hope that explains it to you. If you have any questions, let me know.